Hello friends, welcome to all in Sarma English classes. My dear, once again I'm having the most important topic which comes in communication. That is listening. Listening not be ignored because it is the chief component of communication. Good communication is good listening. When you talk, you are only repeating what you already know. But if you listen, you may learn something new. The first step in becoming a good listener, keep the mind open. My dear friend, the mind is like a parachute. It functions only when it is open. Communication and human relationship go hand in hand. Speaking and listening both are equally important in effective communication. As you know, reading gives you more knowledge, writing gives you more reflection, listening gives you more communicative power, more communication, more chances to become successful in your life. My dear friends, I'm having a quote on the screen. Listen 100 times, ponder 1,000 times, and speak once. So kindly think about this. I'm going to define the listening. What does it mean of listening? My dear friends, L means look attentive. You need to be attentive, number one. Involve yourself 100%. I means involve yourself 100%. S means stay tuned with speaker. What the speaker is saying, in which manner the speaker is saying, kindly stay tuned with the speaker. T, test your understanding. How much you got, you need to test your own understanding. E, evaluate the given message. And after all, you need to note down some important points, like key points, if you want to keep the message for forever in your mind. You need to note down. Kindly think about listen, how to listen, so you can understand the importance of listening. If you listen my lecture, you can understand everything without any problem. Now we would like to talk the types of listening. Active listening. My dear, what does it mean of active listening? Active listening is whole body listening. The whole body is naturally inclined toward the speaker, show interest and empathy. Active listening is a cultivated behavior. My dear friends, give importance. It is also said active listeners spend as much as energy as a speaker. Attentive listen, you need to listen something. In terms of attentive, attention should be 100%. Attention should be your devotion, dedication should be while gaining the message. Critical listening means the listener evaluates the message according to his ability. Content listening, my dear friend, it means the capacity to understand and to preserve the message. Empathetic listening, you should understand by this quote, you need to keep yourself in the shoes of other to understand somebody's feeling, so you can understand empathetically what he would like to say, what she would like to say. Pretended listening means you are showing by physique, you are showing that you are gaining, but you are not gaining psychologically. Your mind is somewhere else. You are not over here, physically here, but mentally somewhere else. That is pretending. You are showing off, but you are not gaining. Selective listening, you are listening all sort of thing, but in the process of selection. It means your interest area, necessary message you are gaining, but you are ignoring unimportant, unwanted. So my dear friends, I discussed today regarding listening. As it is said, or it is known by everyone, you are having 2 ears and one tongue. You should use more and more in gaining knowledge in terms of using your ears instead of using your tongue. So my dear friends, if you like my lecture, kindly like, share and subscribe so that I can bring good lecture for you. Thank you.